Dad, my cousin. My cousin.
Guess what? I rubbed poop on my face. Feel it. Give it a feel. Give it a feel.
Now the camera's hard.
Feel it. Oh, yeah.
Sam, no one cares.
What are you doing? Siobhan, you're like breaking out.
Am I really?
Yeah, you're like...
My
face is turning all red.
I'm not break out these ones.
No. It looks like a rash.
Why? They weren't there. If you say chocolate. Oh my god. Okay, so, anyways, now that you're a part of our group, what's your name again? Tiffany. Right. Well, there's going to be a total of us, and the only way you can be part of us is to be mean. Mean as you can be. Okay, I think I can do that. Yeah, I think she can do that. Shut up. Hey, what are you guys doing? Talking about how ugly you guys are? Hey, why isn't she in our group? She's mean. Shut up, Tiffany. You're bad. Well, what was your question again? Well, I'm not going to answer that because, well, I don't feel like it. Yeah, she doesn't feel like it. Shut up. Yeah, you can replace her and, like, put her in the group. Be quiet too, or else you're gone. Oh, I'll shut up too. Okay, so, bye. By the way, she used to be in our group, and she messed up. I hope you don't mess up the way she did. What? She stole your origin? Quiet. Hey. Hi. You were talking to Genevieve and them. Yeah. Why don't you? Are you that scared of them? Yeah. They seem really mean, and I don't want to be made fun of. It's okay. Just pretty much copy whatever they say. And they're golden. Okay. Well, they're going up to use the bathroom. Let's go in their suits and see what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm good in the bathroom, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go too. See? Let's go. Hey! What's your face? I can't believe you joined their group. What are you guys doing? Nothing, you know. Just hanging out. You know, Genevieve will be back any minute, and she won't be very happy about that. You know. We know. Well, anyway. So, when's she coming back? Right now. What the heck are you doing in my seat, loser? Well, let's see, I'm sitting. And you? I'm just sitting and talking. What's your problem? My problem is that you're in my seat. Get out. No. No way. No. You better get out, or else I'm gonna backslap you until you're dead. Like, I care. I hope you care. She will. She'll hurt you. I don't care about a stinking pampered princess beach blonde, a bad manicured, ugly girl, ugly outfit. Like, I care what that girl thinks. Oh, that didn't have any effect on me at all anyways, but, oh, well, you're dead. Oh, I'm dead. So scary. Haha. Yeah. Oh, by dead, I'm serious. Dead. Legit. Dead. Not faking. Dead. Yeah, right. And that's how pretty girls fight. Well, I'm gonna go and take a cat nap. Any more takers? 'Cause I can easily do that. No, I'm out. Hey guys.